Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to insert a rational number in between two rational number, in between six or seven rational number, or in between 100 or 70 rational number, like that way. Means there, if two rational number is there, in between these two rational number, there are अनलिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स. दो रैशनल नंबर के बीच में अनलिमिटेड रैशनल नंबर्स होते हैं. तो आज सीखेंगे कैसे हम लोग दो रैशनल नंबर के बीच में वो सारे रैशनल नंबर को हम लोग ढूंढेंगे या ढूंढा जाता है. सो सी हियर, टू फाइंड आउट द रैशनल नंबर ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला, हाफ इंटू a by b plus c by d, half into a by b and c by d. A by b and c by d is nothing, both are the rational numbers. Suppose two rational number are given. If two rational number are given, we have to first find out their sum and multiply with half. Find out their sum and multiply with half. Suppose here, example number 13, find a rational number between 1 by 3 and 1 by 4, right? 1 by 3 and 1 by 4, and we have to insert only one rational number in between 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 के बीच में हमको rational number insert करना है. How to do it? Use this formula, half into a by b plus c by d. This is a by b and this is c by d. So first we have to add them and we have to multiply them with half. So same they have done here, half into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Now we all know how to add two rational number. So LCM came 12, 3 divided by 12, 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 divided by 12, 3, 3 ones are 3 is equal to 3. So half into 4 and 3 equal to 7 by 12. So sum of these two rational number is 7 by 12 came. And this 7 by 12 we have to multiply with half. So no reduction is possible, no cutting is possible. So directly we can multiply numerator and denominator. So 1 7 is 7, 2 12 is 24. So this is the rational number. This rational number is existing in between 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. ये जो rational number 7 by 24 है, ये दो rational number that is 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 के बीच में आता है. I hope it's clear. Next, to find any rational number between, here this one, if you want to insert only one rational number, suppose 4 rational number you have to insert. On that case, what you have to do? So to find out 4 rational number or 5 rational number, first what you have to do, you have to same thing you have to do, that is half a by b plus c by d. This formula you have to repeat one. If 4 times they have asked, you have to repeat 4 times. If 5 times they have asked, you have to repeat 5 times, like that you have to do. So how? So 1 by 6 and 1 by 3, these are the two rational number, and in between we have to insert 4 rational number. So what we have to do, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into half. So if we solve 1 by 6 and 1 by 3, if we add them, it will come 1 plus 2 divided by 6. So ultimately it will come 3 by 6. 3 by 6 means it will be half. So half into half, it will be 1 by 4. Please carefully see here. Here they have jumped some steps. Half into, if we add 1 and 2, it will be 3 by 6. And 3 by 6, if you reduce, it will become a half only. So here this half and this half, if we add, it will be 1 by 4. Next, so now we got one rational number, that is 1 by 4. After getting this rational number, we have to find out the second rational number, that is half 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. So what they have did here, to find out second rational number, they are using not this one, they are using this one plus this one and these two rational number they are using. So now we are going to find out second rational number, that is same formula, half into a by b and c by d, but here a by b they have taken 1 by 4, means the new number which came, which we have just now we have insert the first rational number. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3, if we add, it will be 3 plus 4 divided by 12. If we add 3 by 3 plus 4, it will be 7 by 24. Sorry, 3 and 4 if we add, it will be 7 by 12. So 7 ones are 7 and 2 12s are 24. So first rational number we got, second rational number also we got. Now we have to find out third rational number. So when we are going to find out third rational number, remember that just now the second rational number which we came, that one we will take, and the last rational number, that is 1 by 3. Second rational number and the last the given rational number, last one. So half into 7 by 24 plus 1 by 3. Solve the sum and multiply with half, it will come 5 by 16. Then we have to find out the last and fourth rational number, and to find out fourth rational number, again you have to follow this number and the last number, this number and the last number you have to take. So in this way you can find out 3, 4, 5 limited number of rational number in between the two rational number. I hope it's clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.